Good everyone. Today, I'll be talking about Python automation and how it helps us unlock efficiency, streamline workflows, and save valuable time. Python automation is all about simplifying repetitive tasks so we can focus on more complex and creative work. It has become an essential skill in today's fast-paced digital world. Python can be applied across multiple areas. In web automation, it can handle repetitive website interactions. For data analysis, it processes large datasets with speed and accuracy. In system administration, it automates routine tasks, saving hours of manual effort. Automation brings clear benefits, higher productivity, reduced errors, and more reliable results. For example, businesses have reported over 25% productivity increase and cost savings of up to 40,000 units annually. One of the main reasons Python is widely used for automation is its simple and readable syntax. It allows developers to focus on solving problems instead of struggling with complicated code. Automation. Python offers a huge support community, extensive libraries for almost any task, and rich documentation that makes learning easier. With it, we can automate daily tasks, streamline business workflows, and improve decision-making through better data analysis. Some popular libraries include Selenium for web automation and testing, Beautiful Soup for web scraping, Request for handling HTTP calls, Paramiko for SSH and remote access, PyAuto GUI for GUI-based automation. Python is already being used in real-world scenarios such as automated reporting for faster insights, automated data backups to ensure safety, server monitoring to maintain system performance in real time. The general workflow for automation is identify repetitive tasks, write the Python script, schedule the script, monitor and refine the results. Python automation has led to impressive success stories, with companies reporting up to 75% cost savings in operations. Learning Python automation opens doors to many roles, like automation engineer, data scientist, or DevOps specialist, where automation is the backbone of efficiency. Automation is simple: identify a repetitive task, write a Python script, schedule it to run, and then monitor the results. That's how we save time and improve efficiency. Companies using Python automation have cut costs by up to 75%. Automating tasks like reporting or server monitoring saves both money and time. Python automation opens doors to roles like automation engineer, data scientist, and DevOps specialist. These are high-demand jobs in today's market. Thank you for your time. If you'd like to learn more or need support, feel free to connect with us through phone, email, or social media.